Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. Pulling the carburetor out of the KDX. Figured I'd shoot a quick video. Still hurting from the crash. From the freaking whiskey throttle. Man, I was sleeping on it. So I hurt my shoulder. Hurt my leg, my left leg. It's hard for me to lift it up. I have to assist it like this just to lift it up. It hurts really bad. I just hope I didn't fracture my shoulder. I don't think I did, but I'm not going to the hospital because they're probably just going to send me home and put me in a sling. So just try and take it easy, do some light duty work. So I'm going to pull this carburetor out. Oh, it's a pain because it's hard to get to it. For some reason on the KDX, the gas tank here comes down really low. And then you have the petcock here, the on and off thing. It's like right in the way. The old one was even worse. This is actually a new one, but the old one came down even lower. It was like down to here, which was even worse. So, but yeah. So I'm gonna pull this guy out and keep you guys updated. I just wanted to do a quick update video. I try to keep you guys updated of what's going on every day. Yeah, so it's pain in the butt because I have to film everything and do stuff at the same time. It's hard for me to hold the camera and do everything. So I need to find a videographer, someone that could film while I do stuff, because multitasking is a pain in the butt. So yeah, here she is. I'm gonna pull the carburetor out, and basically what's happening is the floats inside the float bowl are getting stuck. I'm assuming the floats are being stuck down. They're just hanging. They're not going back up to shut the fuel back off. So it's just overfilling the bowl. It's pouring out the overflow right here, right there. So, but yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Just wanted to do another quick video and let you guys know what's going on. And yes, I'm really sore. My shoulder hurts from the whiskey throttle. That YZ250, the Cookie Monster, hurt me, man. Damn Cookie Monster. I was sleeping on it. There's the Cookie Monster. The bike's perfectly fine. Nothing happened to the bike, but let me tell you something, man. My shoulder, I'm feeling it in my shoulder, man. It hurts. Like, it really hurts, man. I went to bed that first night, man. I felt it. It really hurt, man. So be careful, and be careful out there if you're riding. Don't do anything stupid. Don't be like me. My leg hurts, man. It's, like I said, for me to move my leg, I have to lift it up myself. Can't really lift it on my own. So I'm pretty bruised up bad. Pretty bad and bruised up. But the YZ250 survived. So now I'm working on the KDX here. I'm gonna pull this carburetor out, get this ready. I'm gonna do another video. Do another video on this KDX. You guys been following my channel. You guys know what this bike used to look like before, and it was really, really bad. It didn't look like this at all. So I put some love into it, and I got it looking really nice. Not perfect, but it looks 1,000 times better. And this bike actually runs unbelievable. Just got to mess around with the carburetor again, and the power valve and all that. It's great. The kips, KIPS, the Kawasaki kips. Yeah, everything else was good. The only thing I'm having a problem with it, other than the carburetor, is that the clutch, like, it just wants to just grab right away. It just wants to go. It's like sticking, like it's just, you know what I mean? Like it sticks. It's not slipping at all, but it just wants to grab. Like it's just either neutral or just go. There's no like letting the clutch out slow. It just grips right away, you know what I mean? So I don't know what that's about, but I have to figure out. Maybe you have to change the the trans fluid or something in the gear box or whatever. But yeah, so here she is, and I'm gonna pull this carburetor out real quick, get this thing out, clean it. So stay tuned. I'll be back with some more videos, and thanks for all you subscribers and everything. That's awesome. I appreciate it. It's really, really cool. Didn't think I was gonna get this many people liking the channel, but that's pretty cool. Thank you guys, and I'll be back with some more videos, man. So be safe out there, stay tuned, and I'll definitely be back with another update. Peace and hair grease. Be safe, everybody. See you.